While self-storage can provide a convenient place to stash our extra belongings, the truth is, folks, those monthly rental fees sure do add up. Not to mention the hassle of carting those things to a storage locker and back. Let's explore when it could come in handy. For example, if you're in between moves. My wife and I had this situation a few years back. Maybe you're renovating your home or holding items for estate purposes. Short-term self-storage can be useful. If you're downsizing to a smaller home, self-storage lets you keep sentimental items you're not ready to purge. However, and this is the honest-to-God truth, too often I see folks using self-storage as a dumping ground year after year for things they likely will never use, or they're avoiding the difficult decision about their possessions. So before signing a self-storage contract, you need to prayerfully consider why you need the extra space and how long you realistically need it.